Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Cadillac XT6 with key. Locate the key fob, press the mechanical key release, insert the mechanical key into the ignition slot, turn to accessory, check dash lights, then turn fully to start the engine while applying light brake pressure. Release once engine runs smoothly, verify all warning lights go off, and practice calmly to avoid mistakes. Let's cover the key types and how to prepare. The XT6 uses a smart key with a hidden mechanical key for emergencies, so know where yours is stored. Test the fob battery regularly and replace it if range or response declines, and keep a spare mechanical key in a safe place away from the vehicle. These simple steps prevent most common starting headaches and save time when you need to go. Troubleshooting is straightforward when you know the steps. First, check the vehicle battery and terminals if the engine does not crank, and try the spare mechanical key to rule out fob issues. Remove heavy keychains and inspect the key for damage if it feels sticky in the ignition. If the immobilizer or warning lights persist after these checks, limit attempts and contact professional service to avoid further electrical or security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.